Changing the fluid in this transfer case. 2005 Dodge 2500 diesel, 6-speed manual, boy truck. Doing the transmission and transfer case fluid change. First thing we're gonna do is pull off. We're gonna pull out the fill plug to make sure that we can get it out before we pull the drain, because you don't want to pull that, or you don't want to pull that and not be able to get that off, as then you're screwed. This first, then this, and then the fluid goes in. Okay, got this upper one. The fill is loose. The drain is loose, and it's a 10 millimeter. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one. Hopefully it won't spill all over me. Look at that, just right at the top. Fill holes undone. The drain's gonna go everywhere. Look at that. It's got this everywhere. Look at the fluid though. This truck's got 67,000 original miles on it. I don't drive it much. Anyway, it's coming out. It's all nice and brown, but it's ATF. It's I think it's a ATF +4 or some crap like that. Anyway, like $10 a quart. I'm using the synthetic, but I'm not going crazy like Amsoil or Royal Purple. I think I'm just going regular valve oil. All right, I think it takes 2 quarts, so right about 2 quarts. I have 3 here just in case. But anyway, it's the ATF +4 is what it takes in the transmission, so I'm putting the transfer case as well. This is like a kind of a slick trick thing to get it in there. I just gotta go into this hole right there. So I can put the jug up above here and go it into there. And I'll try and prop you up here in a sec. It's so loud in here today. Shut up! Oh, dang it. Now you guys aren't seeing what's going on. Can you see now? You're gonna fall and break. I have to buy a new phone. Okay, there's like a little on-off switch here, I think. Boom, look at that. There's just juggly goggles in there. Number 2. Wow, it takes more than 2. So there we go, we're full. We are full. It's oozing out, it's like 2 point something. Ooze it out. They're back on there. It's like 2.5 or something, I think. This is 10 mil, by the way. 10 mil Allen goes in there. You don't need to crank on it, you just need to tighten her up. Boom, all I do is just clean her up and she's done. On to the transmission. Okay, now we're going to do the transmission, which is a G56. Aluminum 6-speed, 05 is the first year of it. Mercedes built it. Here's the drain on this side and the very bottom and back. Passenger side up here is the fill plug. We'll do this one first, then that one. It's got a little leak. It's kind of common, I think, on these for the shifter boot thing up on the top. You can kind of see how it's all wet up in there. I was pretty crappy about the shifter boot up there apparently leaks. Stupid thing. Anyway, We'll do loosen this one first, and then take that one out and thread it out. Sure have a bunch of cords. I'll try and set you up so you can see. Hang on. Oh, these are 14 millimeter. The other one was 10. This one's 14. Do it with no splash, no splash, no splash. I'll miss my hand completely. Here goes, here goes. Sucks. Got some on my hands. Anyway, it doesn't look too horrible. It's still red. Transfer case looked a lot worse. I think you're supposed to change those quite often. As it learns out, if you can see this. Oh. Okay, back to it, if you can see it or not, but it's got a little bit of metal in there. Nothing abnormal. No big chunks, no synchro rings because they're brass anyway. Always check that little gasket that's right there, a little gasket in there. I looked at it, it was good. These torque down till, these torque it down until it starts getting loose again, and then 1/4 turn. Just kidding, no. It's not too much of a click. Just want to make sure it stays on there. It's probably, I don't know, 20 something pounds probably is what they tell for it. I just do it by feel. Got that. It's down and out of the way. Once we're all done, I'm going to spray it all down with some brake clean. But we're going to rinse and repeat with the fluid here. Hey, look at that. I'm saying it's full. Shazam! Shazam-a-lama ding-dong! Okay, so that was 8 quarts total. I got about a half a quart left. 8 quarts total for the transmission and transfer case. It's about $90 walking in the store and buying it from O'Reilly. Synthetic. Anyway. Letting this thing down. I'm gonna start wiping off all this crap. But it looks like I got some on the exhaust, which you know that is with the diesel. It would take days for it to hot and burn all the way off. Shazam! If I can still steal the rack for a while, I'm going to change the gear oil and the differentials as well. You'll see that if I get a chance. So now that I'm done, I got a light. Anyway, CLG56. That little thing says on there, if you can see it. Oh, you'll be able to see it. Daimler, made in Brazil. Anyway, I cleaned off some of that crap that's on the side as good as I could for now. Back here, but it looks good other than that for you know, 2005 rig. Anyway, if you have one of these rigs and you haven't gone to this Synergy like one-piece steering link thing, holy crap, do yourself a favor and do it. It is unbelievably better. Unbelievably better. Because usually steering arms come here and this connects with this rod. No, this connects I think over here, and then this connects. Anyway, some big wide crap thing. When it bounces, it turns your steering all jacky. This is awesome. Highly recommend it. Anyway, moving on.